Have you ever glued a page in upside down in your journal and thought, well, that's ruined? Don't panic. If you want to see how easy it is to transform this crafting mishap into creative magic, grab your journal and let's fix this the fun way. So, after that exciting intro, do you remember when I did this? And it was upside down and I thought, oh no, I'm going to have to take it. And I'd glued all this in. It was all glued. I couldn't do anything else. So I have been racking my brains. I even went on YouTube to see if anybody else had had the same problem, but apparently not. So we are going to fix this. And I've got some ideas. So the first one is this one here. So as you can see, yeah, not good, because whatever you put up there is just going to fall out. So what we're going to do is, hopefully, if my glue is working today, or not, or not. I've had it upside down and it's still not coming out. You know what we're going to do? I've had enough of that glue. I've had enough. I'm going to use double-sided sticky tape today. And we are going to glue sticky tape this top flap completely down. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking I've gone completely crackers and I can't use it at all now. Aha. There is a method in my madness. So, as soon as I can get this peeled, stick that down. So now you've got a blank page that you can play on. But I haven't wasted the pocket, because what we're going to do is we're going to put a tag in there. And I have done some prep and I have prepared all my tags, because it's not a make a tag video. It's a fix your problems video. Look at that. Brilliant idea, huh? That's idea number one. I'm not going to keep count because I'll forget. So now you've got the rest of the page. And I thought the first thing I'm going to do is actually cover it like this, because it's just a big expanse of like paper, and this is what I really need my glue for. So if it would work, I'd be really grateful. Right. Which way up shall we have it? Let's have it that way. So we have now covered the page. Let's just get it stuck down properly, because my other idea for this page was to put a side belly band on, a side tuck, and I've got one. These are ones I've already made. They're pre-made. So I'm thinking I'm going to glue that onto there like that. Take the lid off, might help. And I'm just going to do the side. Oh, it's coming out very fast. And we're going to glue that on there. So now you've got a space for another tag. Oh no, transformed already. It's probably not the best colour scheme, but you know, I'm working with what I've got. Just going to use this just to mop up this extra glue. And we're going to leave that to dry while we work on the other side. You may notice this. I've covered up one side of the upside down flowers with one of the folios that I made last time. And this has just got some more ideas about what you can do. So this is just a little prototype that I put in here. But I've still got to do something with this, which is such a shame because, you know, it'd be so pretty. But not a lot I can do about it now. So you'll be pleased to know that with this one, we're going to leave this open. So again, I'm just going to use this. And it's much quicker. And it doesn't matter if it's going to come undone because it's my journal. I don't think anybody would want to buy this. This is my true junk one. Can you imagine somebody buying your own junk? Right, so there we go. So you have now one big pocket. But I'm not going to leave it like that. What we are going to do is put this on. Now I've pre-made this. This is 2 pieces of card. And what I've done is I've ripped across scrapbook paper a couple of times, 2 lengths. And we're going to stick this onto here, like that, hopefully. And I've just embellished the top with some trim, because I had some and I'm using it up. And this is going to go on the top. And that will make more tuck spots. I know. Where do I come up with all these ideas? Some days I don't. You know what it's like? Some days you can sit here for hours and you just don't do nothing. You can't do nothing. So today I was on a roll, so I went with it. So we've got that as a tuck spot here. I've also made a pocket for the bottom to match. It's matching. And I've sewn some fabric on and made little holders that I'm going to put some tickets in. And you can use this pocket idea on any journal. I mean, this is ideal because it's so wide. I've managed to get 3 little pockets, but you can just have 2 on an ordinary journal page. So we're waiting for things to dry. So we're going to flip back to this side because I've got a tag that I want to put in there, and which is this one. How pretty is that? That was just a page out of a magazine, and I've backed it with this pretty paper, and I've just stitched round it just like that. I wanted to do something on here, but I'm not quite sure what I want to do yet, so we are just going to leave that one like that. But we're going to carry on this side. I just wanted to put that away before I got confused. Okay, I think we're dry. So, as you can see, plenty of pockets. So, you know what I want to do? What I've decided to do, because it looks a bit weird, I'm going to rip along the bottom of this one because it just looks odd. I just want it to look like the same as there. So I know I've stuck it down, but hey, we're going with it, okay? And it's just going to be a bit folded up. You don't have to cut and rip it, but I quite like it now. So, you might not think so, but I do. You can do this however way you like. You can have these straight. So we're going to layer up some tags. This is just a piece of 6x6, and I've just sort of stenciled some lines on the back. So this is going to match wonderful. So we're going to tuck this in. Oh, let's go the other way. We're going to go up first, and then we're going to tuck this in here. And that is a little secret spot that you can write on that nobody will know. They will think that is stuck down. So the next one is these, which are my upside down tags. I love these. I love them. We made these, no, did I? I've obviously pre-made because it would take far too long to make all these things in the one video. So I've used the matching paper. I know, I have matching paper. And these tags slide up inside there like that. Oh, hang on, we better put our tickets in first. I've got tickets. So if you've got some little bits of ephemera, nearly forgot, you can pop these into these pockets like this. How cool is this? It's like a multi-pocket page. So we've got our little tickets in. We've got this secret writing space behind there. The next one we're putting in is this big one that I made. This is just out of some scrapbook paper. This one, this pack. And Bloom Where You Are Planted. And I've just put a stamp on the back. And this one goes up here. I know. Took me a while. These ones, my upside down tags, will go on top as well, like this. And then I've got a couple of Project Life cards. They're not anything special. I've cut this one down because it's too big. And these will slide in the other little pocket up here. So we have 4 tags, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pockets on that page. And I know 2 of them are in the same one, but there's plenty of room. I was going to put them in here, but this one doesn't quite fit. So it's going in there instead. And you know what? It doesn't matter because it's my journal. Now this, I really need to find something to decorate this page with. I love my little top spot, but there does need to be something else on there because that is full. That is one full page. And I love this. That's just like, I mean, come on. You've got to give me a thumbs up for that one. And I want to put some words on as well. I want to put some words on there, and I did get some out. I'm not quite sure if they'll go. Blooming Brilliant. Yes, I think I was. Nature. Nature's Call. I could just cut out nature off that. I messed that one up, the other one. Cutting it out. I didn't cut it out properly. I can't cut in a straight line. I think that would look nice up there. Blooming Brilliant. I'm tempted to put that over there. I've got a little bit of green ink left on here from when I was doing me tags. And I think we can just use some glue stick to put this on. Save messing about with that glue. Let's put it here. Nature. It's all, this double whole page is like all about nature. And I am tempted. Blooming Brilliant. I did cut out flowers and all sorts to put on. But I did get a purple one actually. Oh, I could put the purple one on the corner. That might go quite nicely. Peeking out from behind there. I might do that. Only because I've already fussy cut it. And you know when you've spent a long time fussy cutting something, you don't want to put it in the drawer or the box because it's going to get all creased up. So we're going to pop it right under there and take that out now because I put glue everywhere. So here we are. I might put something up here. Natural habitat. can't see it anyway. But I mean, you could do some journaling on there quite easily. I'm going to put that on there. I am. I just want to back it onto something, but I don't think I've got what that look like. These are just cut-offs from magazines. It's my journal. I can do it if I want to. Oh, actually, it's quite pretty, that side. I might do that side. You notice how I start off my videos all like calm and collected, and I know what I'm doing, and then by the time the end of the video comes, I'm like, yay, let's just do this. I like that. I think that page is really, really cool. So many tuck spots there. Absolutely brilliant. I love it. One of my favourite bits about junk journaling is making a mistake and then trying to find a way to incorporate that mistake into my journal, like this. I mean, that's just, to me, that is just a perfect solution. I don't know what you think. Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know if you've got any more genius ideas about what you would do. I would like to know. Just wondering where I've cut this one out as well. I'm thinking about putting it on there, but I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm going to just put it on one side. I'm going to put it in my box of cut out flowers. So there we go. Thank you so much for joining me, everybody. And this is it now until July. I am taking June off for my trip to Australia. So thank you so much for all your support so far. Please come back and see me in July. If you miss me, there's lots of videos on this channel, so you can always go and watch one of those. I'll leave a few in the description box that you might not have seen, and one at the end, which I think you're going to love. This one here or here. Support, and I will see you in July. Thank you.